Welcome to Medy Wellness, the kitchen segment. Today we continue the sweet potato series and we have a nice stew. So it's our best sweet potato stew so far. Wash your potatoes and boil them and peel them. Chop into nice little small pieces, and we have also other ingredients: tomatoes, onions, carrots, coriander, black pepper, cooking oil, and salt to taste. Heat your pan and add oil. Fry your onions until they begin to brown. Add in your tomatoes and your carrots, your spices, your salt, and stir gently. Remember, the carrots cook very quickly. If it begins to stick, add in some little water, that's your stew, and cover for about 4 to 5 minutes on moderate heat. Add in now your sweet potatoes. Be gentle, don't be very rough with them because they're already cooked also. Stir gently, mixing it up so that it can be at the same level, and add in some coriander to garnish. Cover for about 4 to 5 minutes again on moderate heat. Smells nice and looks nice. And your food is actually ready to serve. This is a meal that can be taken by babies at 6 to 7 months and even adults. So now ensure it is a well-balanced meal by adding some protein meal there. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Follow us on other social media handles. Medy Wellness cares for you and your family.